Hi, I'm Michael Rocco, a product manager here at Lincoln Electric, and today I'm standing next to our Prism Circulator unit. This is an ambient air cleaning unit designed for spaces where hoods or ducting doesn't make sense. Typically this would be large parts or areas where a crane needs access to a part. The Prism Circulator works by extracting the weld fume at the level where it settles in the air by continuously circulating and filtering that air. These units deliver up to 4,000 SCFM of high airflow, allowing for 4,000 cubic feet of ambient air to be filtered every 10 minutes per unit. These units come standard with automatic filter cleaning for extended filter life and a dust bin for easy particulate removal. When it comes time to change the filters, it's as simple as opening the filter arms, lowering the filter, and swapping them out. This Prism Circulator unit is freestanding, but we also have configurations available that can be mounted to a wall, on legs, or suspended from the ceiling with our Prism Suspend. If you're interested in learning more, visit lincolnelectric.com/fume control.